Hello, welcome back. It's Miss Hake, and we are doing some literacy today. Today's letter of the day is G. G makes two sounds, hard G, G, soft G, J. All right, so we did a minds on, and we were going to get a hard G and a soft G, and Miss Hake's hard G was grass, green grass, actually, and my soft G was my teddy bear named George. Yeah. I wonder what you got for the J's. We're going to do a little poem. We're going to listen for the G sounds, and then we are going to figure out what the rhyming word is. Are you ready to listen? Here we go. Ha. Gabby's gum is bright pink. She spit it out and a glob went down the sink. Oh, my Lanta. Gabby's gum is bright pink. She spit it out and a glob went down the sink. Goodness me. I don't know. My mom said never spit out my gum. It could get in my hair. Yuck. Okay, so let's listen for the G or the J or the G sound. Gabby. Yep. Gum. Yep. Is. Nope. Bright. Nope. Pink. Nope. She. Spit. Nope. It. Out. And. Still no G's. A. Glob. Yes, glob. Went. Nope. Down. Nope. The. Nope. Sink. All right, so we've only identified Gabby, gum, glob. Those are the three words. G with. All right, what is the rhyming word here? Gabby's gum is bright pink. She spit it out. She spit out and a glob went down the sink. Miss Hake got tongue-tied. We'll try that again. Gabby's gum is bright pink. She spit it out and a glob went down the sink. Do you hear the rhyme? Pink and sink. What else rhymes with pink? Sink. Wink, think, drink. You're on a roll now. All right, let's put our listening ears on, and we are going to do the beginning, middle, and ending sound, G. All right, thumbs up if it's at the beginning. Thumbs sideways if the G sound or the J sound is in the middle. Thumbs down if it's at the end. Are we ready to rock? Here we go. Give. Yeah. Chug. Chug, chug. Choo, choo. I just had to. Where's chug? It's at the end. Wiggle. Wiggle. Yeah, the middle. Good listening. Ready? Big. Oh, I almost said it was at the beginning, but B is at the beginning. Ig. It's at the end. Yeah, it is. Juggle. In the middle. Game. Yeah, in the beginning. You got it. Gone. Beginning. Hog. At the end. Yep. And buggy. In the middle. You guys are really good at listening for the g sides. Now we're going to see if our hand can remember how to make uppercase G's and lowercase G's. The song before this lesson, we were doing them in the air. And G is a consonant, not a vowel. So it's a letter of the alphabet that's not A, E, I, O, or U. All right, let's get going. Goodness. Here we go. All right. Maybe I should get a green marker. Let's. All right, you're going to start at the top. You're going to go around almost like you're making a C and up and across. Yeah. Around, up, and across. You got it. Around, up, and across. Great going. Here we go. Around, up, and across. Go, go, go. Around, up, and across. G, g, g. You got it. Around, up, and across. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Okay. Lowercase g. We're going to start here. We're going down, back up, and around. Down, back up, and around. Down, back up, and around. Goodness. Down, back up, and around. Let's try it again. Down, back up, and around. Down, back up, and around. G, g, g. Down, back up, and around. G, g, g. Down, back up, and around. Goodness, goodness me. Look at all those beautiful, G's. I wonder what we can turn our G's into. Let's take a little look. What have we been studying? Well, we've got, what about gum? So this could be, I'm thinking this looks like a big long line, and at the end could be some bubble gum. Ba-roomba, roomba, bubble gum. So you can color your G's like they are spheres of bubble gum. But what is this line attached? I guess it could be someone's tongue. Wonder if I can turn it into tongue. So the first one, I'm going to make pink bubble gum. And I'm going to turn it into a tongue. The second one, I'm going to make red bubble gum. Why not? And I'm going to turn it into a tongue. It's on someone's tongue. Don't spit it out, though. And then I'm going to make blueberry flavored bubble gum. Gumball. And then I'm going to turn this one into a tongue. Whoop. And then I'm going to make, what flavor? Ooh, what about peach? Anybody ever have peach gum? A gumball? And I'm going to turn that into a tongue. Yum, yum. All right, have fun making your colorful gumballs. Good job. I'm going to say good going, because that starts with a G. Good going, guys. See you next time. Bye.